Open all 3 buckles. Place foot inside the soft liner, ensuring that the heel is all the way to the back of the device, and the toes should not extend past the end. The ankles should be at 90 degrees when the device is properly positioned. Fasten the buckles. Fasten ankle, foot, and calf strap in this order. If necessary, adjust the buckles to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Release the hook and loop straps on each side of the device. Pull up the straps to increase plantar fascia stretch, and lower the straps to decrease plantar fascia stretch. Loosen the hook and loop straps and open all 3 buckles to remove the device from the foot.